The question is, find the distance of a point P x, y from the origin. Now we know that distance between 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2 is given by under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now we need to substitute the values. We get under root of x minus, since origin is at 0, 0, x1, y1 is equal to 0, 0. So this is 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square, which is equal to under root of x square plus y square. Therefore, the distance of a point P from origin is under root of x square plus y square.